Okay, good.
Hey everyone, welcome to Learn the Groove Sunday Fun Day. Now we're gonna do a little bit of something in heels. All right, check it out. Let's go. Hi everyone, I will show you how to use this little babies over here and how to balance with them. So first thing first, you need to figure out our posture, your poise. Make sure you have to go lean back using your core. Your pelvis is moving forward, a little forward, and leaning back a little bit. So you have that balance, okay, of control. And you always have to walk on your heels all the way to the ball of your foot. So we're gonna do that really slow, walking straight forward, leaving your arms. Just relax there on your side and move forward. Lead with your belly button while you're walking. So you're going forward. And then also keep your posture when you're walking backwards. Okay, using your hips with it. Then we're gonna do a little bit of Naomi Campbell walk, where you're crossing your legs, using your hips, keeping your posture, using your core, lead with your belly button, everything that I said earlier. And then after that, we're gonna do a pivot turn, doing it really slow. Walk with your right foot, left, left, pivot turn, step into right, pivot turn again, and then walk back. Woo! Hope you enjoy that walk and be fierce, and hopefully that will help you start dancing in heels in my class. Watch my videos, all my dance videos that I'm teaching in heels, all my choreographies. So make sure, stay focused on your body and work on those muscles, the right muscles. Breathe properly. All right, and I'll see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the likes, share, and leave a comment. Bye.